stink.
Twalet Nan Figi.
But leave it for him.
No, Mwen Mete Diaper Nan Figi. Let me show it to you, because you... What's up, guys? Bonsoir tout le monde. Moi, tourne back à une belle vidéo pour nous. Sorry, c'est ma part de cause à Daniel a dormi. Nous devons changer bébé, elle va changer. Quand il y a là, on va faire ça comme c'est toilette. Comme c'est toilette là. Après ça, je vais spray ça. Après ça, ça tient bien, ça c'est toilette. So, je vais brancher pour nous carreaux plus. Ok. Je tourne back, ça c'est baillon. On va mélanger ensemble. Ok. Ça c'est baillon. On mélange ensemble. On met tout ce soir, besoin de thé. Ok? Là, je vais mélanger ma montée. Ok? Moi, je vais mettre un petit peu de café là parce qu'il était trop de l'eau. On va tomber sur la capette là. So. Ok? Mais après ça, on va le mettre les pour faire que nous on souffle pour nous carrer. Ok? Je vais fléter ça qu'on y a pour Daniel va s'espérer. Ok? Ou bien là, je vais faire la boîte, je vais fléter là comme ça. On souffle. Je vais quitter bébé à tout tourner.
Soy ça, chérie. Soy votre vie dans les gens. Tu es venu, tu es funny. Tu n'as funny, mais vous la voilà la figure carrément. Moi, quand on va aller, on va passer au problème. Vous voulez la figure qui se passe. C'est un film pour aimer. Vous voulez la figure, man.
Je ne vais pas la figure.
Pas non.
That's me Benji qui toilette. Ou bien Benji qui est là pour souligner. Baby, Benji ça la théorie. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, Benji ça la théorie, oui. Daniel!
What?
Mais tu l'as retiré d'appui avec ta terre, oui?
Comment tu l'as fait? Quand tu as déjà changé?
No, I didn't.
Why did you change it?
Because I went to the restroom. Ça il faut tout comme ça?
Fuck my man.
Yes, because every time I'm doing for clean the gym, I'm cleaning. Well, I've been cleaning because I ain't gonna do that. Shoot. I swear. My body was coming up. Okay, I'm sweet when I sit up clean Benji. Why is that such an example? What's Kakaras, no? I'm cursed by you, no good Benji. But what's it? Come. Mwen tou ben Benji? Benji se ti toilet ni. Hey.
What?
Mwen tou ben Benji? Ba la tout nan figi lui.
Qui a fait le figure Benji?
I don't know, man.
Vous avez pas tout lié.
I don't know, chérie, mais mwen tou ben. Oh, ba la pou tout a terre. Stinks! Shit, man.
Eu coçava, eu ponho lá para finir.
Every matin mdou clean Benji. Mdou clean Benji. Ou ba vle clean ni? Ou propose ou Benji ou ba vle clean ni? Mdap dormi.
Mdap dormi. Mpote pon.
Any ale oui.
Ou t'as de ben?
M'bakal ben che.
Qui j'avais dit faire tirer souli, mais il y a un pantalon souli, parce qu'on lui a fait souli. Comment tu t'as
Mais tu es pantalon souli.
How would you do that souli?
Oh my God. Did you not hear what I said?
Je m'avais dit ça.
On va pas faire ça.
Dis-moi quoi?
Dis-moi quoi, mon. Ouais, même bébé d'eau. Yes, it's car.
Bah là, c'est du café. Mélange à caca, mélange à caca. Comme vous sortez, on mange caca même.
You so slow, café. Je vais te dire café. Baby, so I tell it baby who say that's your baby food. Whatever, bro.
Você não fez filme, Samuel?
What?
Um pouco de mais também, man.
Você não vai fazer com carinho? Não tá dando uma habilidade para tapar ele foi muito até. Got a problem. O Fache diz isso cheiro. I don't care. If you get mad, you're gonna keep getting mad then. Anything else you wanna say?
So what? I'm not gonna do it.
Okay, and what is that gonna do with me? I'm still gonna do you like that though.
No, don't do it like that.
I am. I will.
No. I told you that already.
Okay. It doesn't matter, Shay. I'm still going to. Carla, will get there? It's not gonna happen. But you know, feeding busy being. Wow. I gotta see it. Well, it's what I can do. Just like I told you, that would never happen. So, ew, that's disgusting. You look stupid. Are you mad? It's actually a prank. It's not even doo-doo. Are you mad?
Of course I'm mad.
Why?
Because I'm sleeping just to the shit out of me.
It's fake, Daniel. I made it up.
This is matter. You're not supposed to do that.
It's
not a game, no.
But yes, it is a game.
No. It's not a game.
Okay? Pour ils sont pas changer Benji, là, m'te changer là dedans.
No, it's not a game, man.
Pour ils sont pas changer Benji. Ou t'es just.
BJ, take that off.
Do you know what I made it with? It's just food, Daniel. It's food, but I sprayed the thing so you can smell it. It's not real. It's fake.
I don't care.
Daniel, I made it with coffee and right here. Look.
I don't care, BJ. I don't want to see anything.
It is a game.
No.
It's a game.
It's not a game, man.
I don't care you mad though. It's a game.
Yeah, that's fine. I don't care, man, but it's not.
Yeah, because it's a game. That's why you should not be mad.
Game,
I made it. I made it up.
Okay,
so there's no need for you to be mad. Are you mad because people say you never get mad when I do
it's
the
not
prank
people say you never get
yes,
mad.
Because
I was sleeping. You see, I was sleeping. I never get something. But I
didn't throw. It's not stink. I spray it. Mpa voye senti a fig you.
Stink.
Mpa spray it na fig
But leave it a fig him.
No, mwen mete bala na fig you. Let me show it to you. This is what I put on your face. Why would I see? This is the thing I spray on your face. I mean, I didn't spray on your face, but close to your face. This. Remember the liquid
You spray that inside of it.
No, it's not. Smell it. I put it on the diaper.
Of course, it's
I
stink.
put it on the diaper.
It still stink.
Then I put it on the diaper. Do you smell this? It smells like peanut butter and coffee. I put this on your face. This peanut butter and coffee. Then we some Twalet Nan Figi.
Cool.
Say what now?
Ndi pas beaucoup.
Pour ça.
Pour ça, tu vas savoir le fig non.
Qui boit bon quoi?
Tu vas non.
Oh yeah. Quand tu passes là film bon quoi? Nda fait bouillon ahoy. Nda fait ragout ahoy. You hear me? What is that ça veut dire? Hein? On va regarder bah côté monsieur madame n'a manger Marila. That's the ragout nda fait avant là. Nda fait ragout. Daniel, what does this smell like?
Kaka.
This one. Be honest. What is it?
Ok, ça mélange café, but bosse café, vous dites caca
Ou pas bosse peanut butter?
Oh, it's not funny.
Yes, it is. Ou pas bosse peanut butter?
Ok, then direct nan figi mon comment?
Ok, est-ce qu'elle get sa toilette? Presently. Just possibly, I'll leave you alone. I'll leave you alone. Just possibly.
Bosse déjà.
Okay, leave her get some peanut butter. Est-ce qu'elle get sa toilette? Okay then. This is the liquid ass right here. Many some say fleet in a diaper actually. You know that.
I know.
Yes. Okay, you didn't know that, but I'm telling you that's what I did.
But don't do it anymore.
Ou ka faire un point different anymore. I mean, I can, but not with the same person. You good? You good now since you know it's not doo-doo? Relax now? Then yo,
What?
relax now parce que connais pas toilette?
Mal parti.
Et moi cap men non parti. Relax now?
I'm relax. Relax. Let's go show déjà.
Huh?
C'est pas relax. Let's go show.
M'ta fait ragou avant m'dou. Ou tap gou, boule que nous t'a prend vent. Est-ce qu'on va consacrer les ragou? Bah, et bah ça m'dou. Est-ce qu'on va consacrer ragou? M'ta fait ragou avant chéri. Même sous boudre m'ta fait avant. Yo di jeune garçon goût, especially boule good nan. T'en est qui bot boy. Boule good nan goût pile oui. Hey, the shot là. T'en est qui bot là. Next et là. C'est bien. Et quoi moun de goût là, m'pas j'on konsi Daniel de goût comme ça do. Ragou direct. So relax now. So, ou pas fâché, right? Est-ce qu'on fâché? Ok, faut me faire une vidéo à chérie. Est-ce qu'on fâché?
Une vidéo.
Là, ça me dit. Est-ce qu'on fâché?
I'm cool.
Alright, say Team BJ then.
No, I'm not gonna say Team BJ.
Babe, then Team Kaka BJ.
I'm not gonna say nothing beside that.
You have to.
No.
Yes, you do. Ma foi il encore. Dis Team Kaka BJ. Babe, dis Team Kaka BJ.
Yo, but you know we got some figure on.
Baby, dis Team Kaka BJ. Babe, that was only $8.
So
that's not a lot of money. Daniel, just Team BJ.
$8 an hour.
Babe.
C'est qui témoin?
Just dis Team Kaka BJ.
Dis pas
Dis Team Kaka BJ. Let's just spell it there for the Team Kaka BJ. Dis Team BJ.
So que va
vous n'êtes pas so fâché?
Pas fâché.
Ok, je dis Team BJ ou do
Team BJ.
Thank you. Damn. Such a Haitian. Quand est-ce que tu votes Valérie là? Team BJ. Anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching. As you guys can see, then you're fâché. L'énervé. But et pas on met de la faire parce que il va jamais prendre anyway. So il va me try pour le prendre même. So il va rien sérieux. Ok, il fâché, that's okay, il fâché. Il fâché non, mais t'as l'honneur, il va try pour le prendre. Hey. Lucky. Il va try pour le prendre. Il fâché, but he'll be okay. He'll be okay. Fuck it. Il va le tirer la soulager, la relax li. Le tirer déglacer. Ça la relax, c'est pas vrai chérie. Oui, boy, ça les chérie. Un grand monde. Anyways, Team BJ. Si vous voulez me faire notre point sur Daniel, mettez-le dans le comment below, ok? Mettez-le ou bien inbox sur Facebook pour le pas, ouais. Ah oui! Next point la vini. N'importe ça nous bien faire sur des dieux. Vraiment, oui, ma faire sur des dieux. Back. Ok? Parce que je pas fâché. Là, je vais pour clic. Là, c'est là, je vais pour back. Voyez mouter. Anyways, écris en bas, comment là. Daniel fâché, but Team BJ, that's okay. Bye. Dis bye, chérie. Tu vas fâcher, dis bye bye. Ben, tu vas fâcher, dis bye bye. Hein?
Tu vas appeler le chauffeur là.
Ah, bye.